All right, so here we have to multiply and simplify. So that this time instead of a difference of squares, we have two trinomials that we have to factor. So looking at the first one, we know it's going to be what? 3x and an x. Now the 4 has to be here, but it can't be here because if we take 4 times 3, that's 12. So we better put a 4 here, a 1 here. Has to be a minus x. So the bigger one would be this one. This would be a smaller one, so that would be plus. Now that's 3x squared minus 4x plus 3x. This is going to be minus x and minus 4. So that one checks out. Now this one, again, let's do 3x and an x. Now we have to think of factors of 8. So that should be probably a 2 and a 4. When you're doing it, think of ones that are close to each other. So like a 8, you have, a 1 and an 8 or a 2 and a 4. So those are the two closest ones, so I would try those. Now, I would say again, we're probably going to put a 4 here because guess what? We have 4s here and we have a 4 here. So I'm going to say it's a 4. And so that means that that one's a 2. Now we need a negative here. So 3 times 2 is 6, so that's going to be bigger than a 4, so we better have a minus here and a plus here. Okay. And then that's times a 3x plus 4, and that's all over a 3x minus 4. Okay. So now it looks like we get to have some fun, and we can say, well, that 3x plus 4 cancels that 3x plus 4. That 3x minus 4 cancels that 3x minus 4. And we're just left with this, which is going to be x plus 1 over x minus 2. Okay, and so that would be our answer. And again, sometimes when you're doing these, if you remember an earlier video, I said, well, if this is a factor, then we should try that. But this time, we had both factors. We had a plus and a minus. So I wasn't sure which one to use. And so then I just had to put my numbers in and then think about what sign I needed. And to have it be a negative, 3 times 2 is a negative 6 plus 4. So that's going to be a negative 2. Okay, so that would be our answer to that one. All right, so here we're supposed to divide and simplify to lowest terms. So what we need to do is we need to keep the first one the same. We're just going to keep it as it is for now, over 2x. Then we change it to multiply, and we flip it. So that's 4x over 9 minus x. All right, notice we have x minus 9 and 9 minus x. So I'm going to say, well, let's factor out a negative 1 and rewrite it with the order of this. So that would be x minus 9. Okay, so we've changed this into this. And at that point, then we have x minus 9 will cancel x minus 9. We still have this piece, so don't forget that. Now this x cancels this x. This 2 will cancel two of those. So now it looks like what do we have? Well, we've got 1, 1, and 2. So we just have a 2 up here. We have a 1, a minus 1, and a 1. So we have a minus 1 here. And so that gives us a minus 2. All right. So again, keep the first one, change the sign, flip the second one. The second one we have to rewrite with factoring out a negative 1, and then after that we can do the cancellation very easy. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.